Hello everyone, I am Charishma Korapati. I have been selected to Industrial Training Program at University Pendedikan Sultan Idris, and this is the presentation regarding my experience regarding this entire industrial training program. We have been arrived on Malaysia on the morning of February 14, and opening ceremony has conducted on UMK Kellenton on afternoon of February 14. And after this opening ceremony, we have visited city tour and visited gallery, wow, and batik store. And we have reached Upsi on evening of the February 15. And here is the brief introduction about myself. Myself, Charishma Kurapati, and my mentor is Dr. Zul Arif Abdul Latif sir, and coordinator is Dr. Karul Azmi Muazzam, and supervisors are Shafiqa ma'am and Anisa ma'am. And I have been studying BSc Horns Agriculture at SV Agriculture College Tirupati under the University of Agro Lam Guntur. And the location of the training site. Our industrial training program consists of two projects, pergola landscaping and rock melon cultivation by fertigation. At the pergola landscaping, field supervisors are Anisa ma'am and field in charge is Azizi sir. And for the rock melon cultivation, field supervisor is Shafiqa ma'am and in charge is Arif sir. Pergola landscaping is done at Unit Horticulture, Jabatan Science Battalion, and rock melon cultivation is done at Unit Battalion, Barsapadu, Jabatan Science Battalion. Working at training site. Regarding the first project, pergola landscaping is done at Plot B. We have been divided into a group of 5 members and allotted to each plots, plot A and plot B. Shifting of plots is done on March 2. Firstly, I have been allotted to plot B, and group members consist of me, Sai Shruti, Ushasri, Pavani and Vamsi Krishna. Regarding this pergola landscaping, a pergola is an arched structure consisting of a framework covered with climbing or trailing plants. Landscaping is the process of making a place of land more attractive by altering the existing design and adding ornamental features and planting trees and shrubs. Project plan. Here is the project plan. Site selection. We have chosen a right location for the construction of the pergola and design a plan. We have designed a plan to meet the requirements of a pergola. Dimensions of the pergola are 2 meters by 1.5 meter. Land preparation. Firstly, we have done weeding for the selected plot with the grass cutting machine to remove the dense growth of the weeds. Then we have removed the weeding across the pergola area with the help of spade and leveled the land evenly with the help of spirit level. Setting of posts. Firstly, we have dug the holes of 1.5 feet deep and inserted the pillars into the holes. We have applied concrete mixture into the holes and leave them for 2 days to set hard and dry. And here are the pictures depicting clearing the field and designing a plan and setting posts, checking with the spirit level and cement work. Preparation of the roof. Cutting of 2 rods for 80 inches and other 2 rods for 60 inches accurately. We have cut the rods with the help of a hand wrench. These rods connect the 4 pillars on the roof and fixes them. We have fixed them with the help of a binding wire. Then we have tied the soft wire to the rods. This serves as the top of the pergola. And here are the pictures depicting cutting of the rods and tying of the soft wire. And construction of stepping stones. Firstly, we have arranged the stepping stone molds symmetrically on the ground. Then we fill the molds with the cement. Then we let the cement to be dry for some time and remove the molds. Then we have decorated the stepping stones with pebble stones and drawn different patterns. And here are the pictures depicting making of stones and stepping stones. Other activities done in plot B are weeding in beds, clearing of the field, planting antigona, watering plants, fertilizer application, sowing of spinach seeds and weeding in the nursery. And here is the second project, cultivation of rock melon by fertigation. Cultivation of rock melon. The cantaloupe rock melon or sweet melon is a melon that is a variety of the muskmelon species belong to the family Cucurbitaceae. We have used a variety glamour. These are widely accepted and consumed during hot weather because of the sweet pulp, rich flavor and pleasant aroma. Glamour has the light green netting pattern on the skin and has a sweet orange crunchy flesh. Fertigation is the practice of applying fertilizer solutions with irrigation water, typically through a micro sprinkler or a drip system. Site selection. We have selected greenhouse for the cultivation of the rock melon. Land preparation. Firstly, we have done the cleaning of the greenhouse and weeding in the greenhouse, filling of coco peat in the poly bags, mixing of pipeline system to the poly bags. And next we have sown rock melon seeds in the pro trays and transplanting the seedlings to the poly bags 10 days after sowing. And fixing of the piping system. Firstly, a mine pipe is spread across the length of the nursery bed, then laterals are fitted into the mine pipe based on the number of plants surrounding area. Finally, a dripper is fitted into each lateral pipe and to be placed at the base of the plant. And here are the pictures depicting fixing of the pipeline system and mixing of fertilizer. Firstly, solution A is taken into tank A and B into tank B and diluted to 100 liters of fertilizer solution. Solution A consists of macronutrients and iron chelates, and solution B consists of macro and micronutrients. Then have mixed approximately 14 liters of solution A and B into the main tank, which has a capacity of 600 gallons of water. The electrical conductivity of the entire solution should be a 1.5 Simon per minute. An automatic fertigation system. We have adjusted the fertigation system to automatic mode such that it will fertigate the plant 4 times a day for 1 minute. That is 0 0.1 liter of water per plant per minute. And here are the pictures depicting mixing of fertilizer, setting of automatic fertigation system, and supporting system for rock melon. As a rock melon is a creeper to provide support for the growing plant to entwine, and tied dry rope for the support of rock melon plant. Checking of easy of fertilizer solution and tying of supporting wire. And other works done in plot are spreading the silver shine, compost filling, sowing of maize, and scraping of bedding material. Here is my main conclusion regarding this entire industrial training program. I have learned many things in this industrial program. I have exposed to a totally new topic, that is pergola landscaping regarding horticulture, where I have learned about the basic concepts of the pergola making and construction of the stepping stones. I have already known about the concept of fertigation, but I have gained practical experience regarding operation of automatic fertigation system and installation of the pipeline system in the fertigation system. I have learned about the cultivation aspects of the rock melon. I have gained these new experiences mainly by the support of the field supervisors and field in charges, and have been very thankful for them for their immense support and share of knowledge in these aspects. And thank you very much for this giving this great opportunity.